Oh my god, I could be clicking that shit for a week. Well, hello guys. Today I'm showing you how to create a memecoin website like these ones in less than a minute. This is Boost Key to increase trust on investors when launching your project. Let's go. First of all, we will search for memify.fun, type our project name, and check if it's available. Great. Next thing is choosing our template and fill our projects. Name and socials, the ticker and the contract address of the coin if we already have it, and the description. Then we add the images that we want to use and review the templates to choose one that fits our project. This is fucking addictive. Okay, I think it's enough. You also can animate this template and edit the roadmap. When you are happy with the result, connect your wallet and click on Create Meme Site button. There you go. You just launched your first memecoin website. You can update anything for free whenever you want at your profile page. Hope this short tutorial helped you with your project. And feel free to join us to the best memecoin community in Telegram. Memify.fun.